In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add birdies in TradingView Pro. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. We just need a chart on the screen so we can add the birdies indicator to it. On your chart, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. Depending on your layout, this might simply say Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This opens the main indicators panel, which is where you can search for and add any tools or scripts you want to use on your charts. Once the indicators panel is open, you'll see a search box near the top. Click directly inside that search box so you get a blinking cursor. This is important because TradingView has a lot of built-in indicators and community scripts, and using the search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for. Now, with the search box active, type in birdies. As you type, TradingView will filter results in real time. You should see birdies appear in the list below. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct indicator if multiple results show up. When you've found the right one, click on it once. TradingView will automatically add birdies to your current chart. After you click, you should immediately see the birdies indicator appear either on your price chart or in a separate pane below it, depending on how it's designed. If nothing appears, double check that you're still on the correct chart and that the indicator is actually turned on. You can also open the indicator settings by hovering over its name in the chart legend and clicking the settings icon. From there, you can adjust things like colors, line thickness, or any custom inputs the author has provided so it better matches your trading style. If you're not currently using TradingView Pro and want the same features and performance I'm using in this tutorial, make sure to use my affiliate link in the video description. Signing up through that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to the full power of TradingView Pro, which makes working with indicators like birdies smoother and more efficient. And that's all there is to it. You've opened the indicators panel, used the search box, found birdies, and added it to your chart, so you're ready to start incorporating it into your analysis.